Welcome, in front of me is a Cubot P50 and today I'll show you how you can boot this phone into boot mode. So for this we will need a cable that is plugged into your computer. I have one right here prepared for this. And let's turn off our device. So hold power key, select power off, and once the phone turns off you want to then hold volume up, and while holding volume up plug in the cable. There we go. Give it a moment. You should probably hear something from my computer. So there will be two noises, one that I connected something and another one right about now. Oh, never mind. So there we go. There is our boot mode. Can get rid of the cable from here. So to navigate through these options you need to use only volume up, and we have three options. We have recovery mode, fast boot mode, or normal boot, which takes us back to Android, and a volume down will confirm whatever is selected. So there we go, that's basically all we have, and I'm gonna now leave it, so normal boot, and give it a moment, and this will boot me back into Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.